Folake, Njideka, Sharon, come here. I know you do not have a skincare routine. You are still forming team shea butter. I'm only using Ori. I'm using Vaseline coconut oil on your skin. You do not have a proper moisturizing body lotion. You don't have a nice body wash for your skin. Come here, this video is for you. Okay, so it is time for you to level up. You need to get a very good and affordable moisturizing and hydrating body lotion for your skin. Okay, so if you see my face for the very first time, my name is Wina. You're welcome back, besties. I'm so happy to see you all, and I'm sure you're happy to see me too. So if you're not yet subscribed, please hit on that subscribe button, like this video, drop a comment, and share with your friends. So without wasting much time, let's dive right into the video. So the product I'm going to be reviewing today is the ST.IVES Renewing Body Lotion that contains collagen and elastin. It is made with 100% natural moisturizer and also 100% of the daily hydration that your skin needs to glow. So let me show you what this lotion looks like. I don't know if you can see it properly. This is what it looks like. It has a very lovely and beautiful packaging container. I really love the container, and it helps to rejuvenate your skin and keeps your skin beautiful and supple. It is paraben free, dermatologist tested, cruelty free, and it is a big jar, 621 ml. Like, if you're a student, this lotion, you need to get it. Plus it is affordable. I got this for 3,000 naira. You can get it for 3,000, 3,500, 4,000 depending on where you stay. Okay, so that is how affordable this cream is, and this big jar can last you for 3 months. Trust me, for 3 months it is very big and very affordable. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about this collagen and elastin. I'll be explaining to you, I'll be breaking down what these two ingredients actually does. Okay, so what collagen and elastin does is that they are vital proteins responsible for giving your skin its elasticity and bounce. According to dermatologists, once you get to the age of 25, your collagen production becomes lower. Okay, which means you start to have dry skin, you have weak and thin skin, and then you start having sagging skin and wrinkles. Okay, but collagen and elastin helps to give your skin that bounce. It is an anti-aging ingredient, which makes this cream here, this lotion here, an anti-aging lotion because of the benefits of collagen and elastin. Okay, so that is why it is advisable that once you get to 20, you're 20 of age, you need to start incorporating anti-aging products to your skincare routine. You need to start using products that has anti-aging benefits. It's going to help your skin. It's going to make you look younger even when you're 50, because you started early to incorporate anti-aging products to your skincare routine. Even when you're 50, your age is looking backwards. You're looking like you're 20 because of the benefits of those ingredients on your skin. It's going to make you look younger. It's going to help fight wrinkles on your skin. Okay, so some of the benefits of collagen are: it improves skin elasticity, it helps to improve skin hydration, it reduces and prevents stretch marks, it improves blood flow, and so many other benefits that it has. Okay, so I'm going to be talking about the key ingredients in this lotion. Some of the key ingredients in this lotion is soya bean oil, and soya bean oil contains linoleic, I don't know how to pronounce this thing, linoleic acid. I'm going to put the name, like the spelling, so you understand what I'm saying. If I bite my tongue, it contains linoleic acid, which helps to strengthen the skin moisture barrier. It helps to decrease water loss. It helps the skin to stay hydrated. It also contains vitamin E, which provides antioxidant and environmental protection for the skin. Okay, it also contains coconut oil, which we all know coconut oil has very wonderful skin benefits. Okay, but do not apply it on your face because it contains coconut oil. Okay, and it also contains plant-based glycerin, which also acts as a moisturizer. So it contains lots of wonderful natural moisturizer. Okay, and it is non-greasy. When you apply this on your skin, let me show you. Look at it, like very thick. I love the texture. Look at it, non-greasy. It just enters, it just slips into your skin. It's so nice. Gosh, it has a beautiful and soft fragrance. Like, the fragrance is amazing. I just fell in love with this lotion. The fragrance is amazing. It is very, very hydrating. Once you apply it on your skin, it just sinks into your skin, leaves it soft, smooth, hydrated, and non-greasy. That is how beautiful this lotion is. Another thing you need to notice is that this lotion is non-lightening. It doesn't lighten the skin, it doesn't bleach the skin. So if you want to maintain your skin tone, your skin complexion, go and get this lotion. I just love this lotion. Like, you know what they call love at first sight? Have you ever experienced it? That was what it was with this lotion. It was love at first sight, love at first use. It is amazing. So if you have a dry skin, a normal skin, an oily skin, this lotion is perfect for you. But do not use it on your face. Okay, do not use it on your face, because it could make you to break out, especially if you have an acne prone skin or an oily skin, like your face is oily. Don't use this on your face. Okay, this lotion is amazing and I would recommend it anytime, any day. Get it. It is amazing, very, very hydrated. I give this lotion an 8.5 over 10. Okay, I don't know if there's something better than this out there, and out of the varieties and the variants it has, this is the only one I've tried or I've used, and trust me, I love this. I don't even think I want to get other ones, but I might still get other ones in the future and try it out and give you a review on it. So what I use this with, I use it with my ST.IVES Energizing Body Wash, the one of citrus and cherry blossom. So I bathe with this and I use this on my body to moisturize my skin. My mom also uses this. She loves this lotion so much and I love it. Like, I'm a lover. So go and get this, and trust me, you'll come back to thank me. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do not forget to like, drop a comment, share it with your friends, hit on the red subscribe button and turn on the bell notification beside the subscribe button, so when next I put up a new video, you'll be the very first person to get notified. My name is Wina and I will see you in my next one. Bye.